2 months into a new year, and the old problem of low inventory is still an issue. I'm David Stark, and welcome to the East Bay Real Estate Weather Report. Let's start with the big picture. Comparing this February with February 2020, homes for sale in the East Bay dropped by more than 30%. Buyers had the fewest choices in the communities east of the Oakland Hills, about half as many homes for sale in La Miranda. Inventory in the Tri-Valley down more than 45%. With the biggest losses in inventory in the Delta, with homes for sale down almost 60%. Because of few choices, buyers are paying historically high sales prices throughout the East Bay. However, there may be some price stability coming in some areas. Prices along the 880 corridor and in central Contra Costa County dropped during January and February. Even with fewer choices and high prices, buyers were ready to act quickly. Home was on the market in the East Bay an average of 22 days during February. This is down from 32 days last February. Home sales are complicated. Yes, sales increased by more than 30% compared with last February, but there were fewer homes sold in February compared with January. This is counter to the traditional real estate season when sales are at their lowest during January and then start to pick up during February. Sales may be back on track during March because pending sales during February increased compared with January and were also up more than 20% compared with last February. That's the big picture. Let's look at our East Bay region starting with the 880 corridor. Homes for sale. Sure, a handful of more units on the market in Alameda, Albany, Berkeley, and San Leandro, but down everywhere else for a net loss of about 40 homes compared with last February. Prices up everywhere, more than 20% in Hayward, Newark, and San Leandro. Sales down in Castro Valley and Union City, but strong everywhere else. Berkeley up 84% and Oakland up 94%. West Contra Costa County is next. Homes for sale down almost everywhere. Inventory more than cut in half in El Sobrante, Hercules, and Pinole. Prices double-digit increases everywhere except for Richmond. Sales, taken as a whole, basically flat compared with last February, as the increases in El Sobrante, Pinole, and San Pablo were countered with decreases in Hercules and Richmond. Heading inland to central Contra Costa County. Homes for sale down except for Pleasant Hill. Prices, strong growth everywhere except for Clayton. Homes sold, Clayton unchanged but up everywhere else. Pleasant Hill more than double compared with last February. La Miranda is up next. Homes for sale, inventory down significantly in all three communities. Prices record setting, up 24% in Moraga and 26% in Orinda. Sales, Lafayette up 200% from last February. Let's check the Tri-Valley. Homes for sale. Inventory down more than 50% in Danville, Dublin, Pleasanton, and San Ramon. Prices, very strong appreciation. Alamo up 37%, Danville 26%, Pleasanton and San Ramon both up more than 20%. Home sales, virtually unchanged from January to February, but compared with last February, way up. Alamo and Danville more than 50%, and Pleasanton up more than 90%. Finally, we're in the Delta. Homes for sale way down everywhere. Antioch down more than 70%. Prices, Antioch up 14% and the rest up more than 20% compared with last February. Sales, Antioch down 17%, but sales up everywhere else. What's coming up? Keep an eye on interest rates and sellers getting ready for Proposition 19 tax portability. Stay healthy. We'll see you next month.